This video I will explain DynamoDB DB concepts like tables, items and attributes. If you are new to DynamoDB, it can be confusing to understand how data is stored and how data is organized. But don't worry, we will see three most important parts of DynamoDB, which are tables, items and attributes. What is table? In DynamoDB, table is where all your data is stored. You can think of it like a folder on your computer. Inside the folder, you can keep files. The files contains the information. Like that, inside the table, we can keep items and it contains the information. For example, if you are making the app that stores book information, then you will create table called books. And this table will hold all data about each book. What is item? An item is a single piece of data inside the table. It is like one row in the traditional database or one file inside the folder. In the books table, each item would represent one book. If you have 100 books, your table would have 100 items. Each item is made up of key value pairs. What is an attribute? An attribute is one piece of information about an item. You can think of attribute as a label or property. In a books table, an item might have following attributes. Item is nothing but book. Attributes are title, author, published year, ISBN. Each of these attribute helps to describe the book. Here you can see the DynamoDB table called books, and each row is an item, which is nothing but single book. Each column is an attribute. Here you can see attribute like title, author, published year, and ISBN. Now we will see the summary. Table is nothing but the place where all your data is stored. Item is nothing but a single entry or record in the table. Attribute is nothing but a piece of information about that item.